Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be planning my outfits for Italy and basically just showing you what I'm planning on wearing and just styling different things to see what I like and what I don't. So yeah, let's go. Every time you grow, you hear my song, yeah, I turn right into my home. Alright, so we're going to start out with this dress that is thrifted. I thrifted it I think when I was in Boston, and I think it's really cute. It's also really nice because it has sleeves and it's pretty long. It's like a mid-length dress because we're going to be going to the Vatican and different cathedrals and stuff, and it's just you're supposed to dress modestly. So I definitely want to respect that. So I think I'm going to wear this. This is what the dress looks like, as you can tell. So it's just a nice mid-length, and then again, like I said, the sleeves. And typically what I like to do is just wear a black sports bra under it because I like how it kind of is black right here, and then it just doesn't go too far down. It's super comfortable, and I'll probably just pair this with my Air Maxes. Alright, so I also have a weird obsession with bucket hats now, so I'll probably wear one of those as well. Let's just kind of see. Yeah, so I'm just going to go out on a limb and say it's definitely not a bucket hat outfit. Next dress is literally stunning, and it just has these beautiful ruffles, and it's just so pretty. It's a nice strapless dress, and I sewed it so it looks super weird now, but it's actually really flattering, and I'm probably going to wear this one day because when we go to the Amalfi Coast, I feel like it's very beachy and fun. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it. So here's the dress, and just the way it flows and moves I think is so pretty. And I found this at a Salvation Army, and it was $8, but I had to pull the trigger because it's so cute. I just watched the clip that I just filmed, and it kind of looks like my body has absolutely no shape, which is why I tried to take it in so it'd be tighter here. So hopefully it doesn't look completely weird because I'm obsessed with it. So I guess it'll be too late by the time you guys see this, but please tell me it doesn't look weird. I'm just going to try every single outfit with a bucket hat, but I honestly really like it with the white bucket hat. I think it's cute. Let's see with the pink. This one I just got, so I kind of need to break in a little bit. I don't know, I feel like the pink needs to go with a much more plain outfit, so I'm probably going to stick to the white with this one. So the next possibility for a dress slash skirt, I'm going to be honest and say I've literally never worn this, and I've had it for about a year and a half maybe. I wore it in one video, and I've never worn it out. But I'm trying to decide. I might want to try it on and see if I can just wear a t-shirt under it and make it a really cute dress, or seeing if I can somehow tie the top so it's just a silk skirt. But I don't remember how long this is on me, so I'm going to have to see. So here's the dress, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I definitely need to tighten the straps a little bit in the back just because they're barely hanging on. But I think it's really pretty. I can't decide if I'm going to take it only because it's very nice. This next outfit I actually think is really cute. So I think I'm actually going to pair it with this tank top that I have in a white version that I thrifted. Both of the tank tops are thrifted. I just cut them and cropped them. Skirt I think is really cute. It just has a slit on either leg, which I think is so flattering, and it's kind of a weird fabric, but it seems very summery and light, which I really like. So it's just basic, but with some sneakers it'll be nice. I can also just have my bathing suit on under this, and it's not a big deal. So yeah, this is going to be another outfits I'm going to be packing. On my nose I just have sort of a rough itinerary, and I just wanted to look at it to kind of see what we're going to be doing each day to make sure that I have the right outfits for it. Because as much as I love dressing cute and wearing my favorite pieces and stuff, I want to make sure that I'm comfortable. And I feel sometimes when people travel, just the outfits they wear, they're just for taking pictures and stuff, which I don't personally like. So some days I'm just going to be wearing jean shorts and a t-shirt, and that's just how it's going to be. I watch YouTube videos, they're wearing satin dresses and Balenciagas and lace bodysuits and all that stuff, which is fine if you're comfortable in that and you want to wear that. I just feel in a way it's for the pictures, so that's really not what I'm trying to do. So this is going to be one of the outfits I wear, and I'm probably going to wear this red top with the shorts and then the white top with the skirt. So I just think it's really cute and comfortable, and this is going to be one of the days we're doing a little boat excursion thing. So it'll just be nice. I can wear my bathing suit under it and also be comfortable. I also think it's supposed to be pretty hot, so I feel this is perfect, but I also could just throw on my jeans if need be. So here are the snakeskin pants with the white top, and it is typically longer like this, but I kind of just liked how it looked better for this to be mostly tucked in. So I think I won't have the fringe, but I might just have it like this. It's also really nice because the majority of stuff that I'm bringing is very versatile and can basically be paired with anything else, so I'm not set on having these outfits, you know? Okay, so this is the next outfit, and again, I need to calm down with the bucket hats. I know, my hair looks so gross, especially now, so This is actually the weirdest top ever because it's like a halter top, and like this cut right here makes no sense to me, but it's actually really, really cute, especially with these jeans. The one problem is, like, I know cheetah print's like a trend or whatever, I just don't want to come across as like so touristy, and I feel like obviously we're tourists, but like, I don't know. I do think it's really, really cute, and I feel like with the bucket hat it'd be even cuter, and some sort of like really dope belt. So let's see my belts. So yeah, I think this is probably what I'm gonna do for one day. I think it's actually really, really cute. I'm surprised because I never wear this top, but like I feel like I should wear it more often. And it's also really nice because if it happens to be extremely hot, I literally have the same exact pair of jeans basically, but like the same color and everything and the same style, but in jean short form. So I'm gonna bring both of them so that way I could easily just pop these shorts on if I'm too hot.